Currently, as science and technology advances, it is also the time when intelligent industrial machines gradually replace human labor. In the logging and wood processing industry, the emergence of these machines helps us solve the problem: how to limit the use of human labor in heavy industries. Wood grinders are also one of the great inventions. They help us to minimize waste in the wood harvesting process and apply it to various industries. So, what are the great values of this type of machine? Let's explore together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. The Diamond Z T8000TK wood grinder is one of the most modern and efficient machines in the wood processing industry. The machine is equipped with a Cummins diesel engine with a powerful output of up to 1,050 horsepower, allowing the machine to operate with strong and stable performance. With its special design, the machine is capable of grinding large logs with a diameter of up to 1.2 meters. It is equipped with a high-quality grinding blade and a protection system against impacts, which enables it to grind wood quickly and effectively. Furthermore, the machine is equipped with an advanced exhaust treatment system, which helps to minimize its impact on the environment and comply with environmental protection regulations. The machine also has a smart remote control system, which allows the operator to control it from a distance and ensure safety during operation. With its advanced features and technologies, the machine meets the wood processing needs of large wood processing companies, optimizing production processes and enhancing economic efficiency. However, the machine's price is quite high, requiring users to invest a large capital amount to use it effectively. Here is a wood grinding process at a large wood yard in the United States, which helps convert waste wood into easily usable wood chips. The use of wood grinders reduces wood waste and protects the environment, while also creating a source of renewable energy for reuse. Wood grinders can process a variety of different types of wood, from raw wood to sawn and composite wood, optimizing the processing and production process. With the ability to grind wood quickly and efficiently, the machine helps save time and costs for manufacturers. In addition, processing wood with a wood grinder also helps recycle and reuse wood resources, reducing the need for natural forest timber harvesting. This contributes to environmental protection and sustainable economic development. However, the use of wood grinders needs to comply with environmental and occupational safety regulations. The documents processed by the machine also need to be controlled and managed to avoid pollution and potential risks to the environment and human health. A wood chipper is a wood processing equipment widely used in the wood industry. With its simple yet effective design, the wood chipper optimizes the wood processing and production process. The wood chipper consists of a horizontal wood container and a wood grinding unit. The wood container is equipped with a rotating shaft to feed the wood into the grinding unit. The grinding unit typically consists of a pair of grinding blades and an electric motor for operation. The design of the grinding blades ensures efficient wood grinding and high precision. The machine can also be equipped with accessories such as material separation unit and a dust extraction unit to minimize smoke and dust during operation. The wood chipper has many advantages, including quick and efficient processing and cost savings in production. However, due to the nature of its structure, the wood chipper is usually only suitable for processing certain types of wood with a certain hardness and thickness, and it is not suitable for processing soft and thin wood. The mighty giant grinder is one of the most advanced and versatile wood grinders widely used in the wood industry. The machine is equipped with a PTO engine with a power of 540 to 1000 RPM and has the ability to process many different types of wood. The machine is capable of grinding wood up to 76.2 centimeters in diameter and 53.3 centimeters thick. It can also process laminated wood panels and plywood that many other grinders cannot handle. With its fast and efficient processing capabilities, the machine saves time and costs for manufacturers. With 24 blades made of special hard and durable steel, the interwoven design is one of the special features of this grinder. The large number of blades allows the machine to handle all types of wood with different sizes from thick to thin. However, the use of the machine must comply with environmental protection and labor safety regulations to avoid pollution and hazards to the environment and human health. The use of wood grinders in the logging and wood processing industry has helped us utilize wood resources, avoid waste in the production process, and the ground wood products will be used in various industries. With cheap cost and high quality, they are the products that customers choose. Therefore, modern equipment and machinery have helped us produce and speed up the completion of work. Using grinders in wood production makes the wood easier and brings high economic value from surplus wood in production. We hope that this information will be useful for you in choosing different types of grinders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.